Well, I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor four, and the major lift. The barefoot king composing Hallelujah, 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 Hallelujah. Irakutsi du bidea, bizi onaren legean naita, ezinaren artean. Nola kausitu nirea, zurea ere besarkatuz, doinua segitzen dut. Aleluia, 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 Aleluia. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, a beauty in the moonlight of a thuya. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 Hallelujah. Senditzen dudan naigin, eginak senditu berdin. Hau da, xidea, ini sendira.